Here is a quick demonstration video of this RP4 by QTX. It's for sale on eBay at the moment. There we go. It's a great LED relay box. You can use it in theatre settings or for controlling individual fixtures via DMX. The advantage it has over using conventional dimmer packs, it can dim the LED lamps. So when I say dim, sorry, it just switches them on and off basically effectively without having to use a dimmer. So you can group up to 8 different fixtures in pairs along here. So you've got 4 channels in total with 2 IC sockets each. You can do it locally here on the DIPS controller. So if I turn it off the DMX mode, which is the last switch along, I just operate individual channels. There we go, that's channel 1. You can see the little LEDs corresponding to the channels as well there. That's 2. Oops, get my finger in the way. There's 2. There's 2 and 3 and 4 there. And if I change these over, you see it works on the same side as well. So that's 1 again. There we go. And if I swap over now, let's do 2, if I can get my finger in there. Oops. Wow, anything but. Well, there's 2 and 3. That one. There's 2 again. There's 3. 3 socket number 2. Oops. There you go. And then finally 4. There you go, socket 1. And 4 again, socket 2. There you go. Right, so all the sockets work there. DMX control, if you just flip up the last switch in the dip line and you've got a DMX line coming in, then you'll receive the you get sort of confirmation of the DMX signal coming in through this green flash here. You can obviously control just the 4 channels there, so just remotely I'll show you. There's 1 there, 2, 3, and of course 4 where our socket is, our fixture's plugged in at the moment. Just to show you the pass-through works as well. We've got that extra fixture behind there, so that's just using this output here going into the back of that fixture. So the pass-through works just fine as well to set that one, and then yeah, you can set your other lamp on and off, and it's nice and responsive as well there. You can run this in a chase if you wanted to, and it's pretty effective. The latching time is not bad at all actually. So if I was to quickly run them all together, let's do something slightly different. There you go. As you can hear, it's a magnetic switch inside, so it's quite quick when it wants to be. There we go. I suppose lastly, each of the channels has a 10 amp fuse in it, so whatever you're loading, don't make it above 10 amps split across the 2 channels, or sorry, across the 2 inputs there. And they are little glass fuses on the ends here as well, and they're all effective and they're all working at the moment. One thing I think the unit notes is that you should power down when the unit's powered off. You still shouldn't. You should try and disconnect your fixtures because there's still technically power getting in through the unit here. It's something about that in the manual, but if I find it, I'll send that along as well.